going to play Garden Detective. First of all, we press collect at the top right hand corner, which gives us a magnifying glass. We shall use the magnifying glass to find the insects and bugs that are hidden in the garden. Let's start with the beehive. As you can see, there is a bee in the hive. Once you have found the bee, you can click on it and it explains exciting facts about the creature as compares to the pin size on the left. Alright, and then we have a look at all the other creatures. So there's also a cat. What do you see on the cat? You see a flea, which is pretty exciting. And then you press collect. Alrighty-o. And this is pretty exciting. The game is interactive as the player hunts to collect the insects around the garden. It is also challenging to discover and find as many insects as possible. The Garden Detective displays all the features of a serious game. It combines learning approaches, knowledge, and game to demonstrate skills such as spatial awareness. The game is very effective for learning as every time the student collects an insect within the garden, they receive a card with exciting, very exciting things like this beetle. The beetle, what does it say? This beetle has 6 legs. Can you count them? Yeah, so this helps the child learn all about the insect, which can be beneficial if they're in the outside world, you know, learning about the insects. This game also, it relates to everyday life, and kids will enjoy and find interesting play. And they can discover new insects they haven't found before, like a scary spider. It actively engages the student by using the mouse to navigate the garden, increasing their fine motor skills, research skills, and developmental analytical reasoning skills required within the real world learning. It's a very informative game, teaching the player what to avoid and what insects are approachable in everyday life. Students could apply the knowledge in everyday life and apply knowledge that they've learned if they were to injure or discover those kind of animals in real life, like a bee. If they got stung by a bee, they could know how to treat it because they learnt it from this game. And once you're finished, you put all the animals back where you found them. Like the bee goes back into the hive, alright. And the beetle goes back there. Once the beetle goes back into the place, alright. Looks like we found everything. And that's pretty much all of the game. Thank you for listening.